In the next few minutes, I would like to concentrate on the power of technology in the fields of public transportation and how mobility service providers like Via and cities can work together to not only improve public transport, but also to increase its efficiency. Because collaborating with cities, public transport authorities, but also operators is exactly what Via has been doing in the past years to improve public transport networks. At the core, we have started out providing on-demand ride-pooling technology to partners, but have also expanded our technology portfolio to other use cases, including, for example, fixed route transportation, school transportation, corporate mobility, paratransit and non-emergency medical transport, and even logistics use cases, while also providing network planning and optimization services, as Via has recently acquired the transit planning company Remix. And what we aim for in the end is an integrated mobility solution for cities and public transport partners that includes all of those aspects in one single platform. And we've been doing this quite successfully around the globe over the past few years, with over 200 partnerships in over 25 countries. What is important to highlight is that all projects are very, very diverse. So they range from large megacities like New York City or Berlin to rather rural projects like in a city of Krumbach, Bavaria. They also range from on-demand to paratransit, school transportation to fixed line services. So a very diverse product portfolio in terms of technology being used. And all of those projects are supported by a fantastic over 350 engineers that are improving the algorithms and upgrading functionalities on a constant basis. But what does this actually mean if I talk about integrated mobility systems? Because our vision for public transit of the future is to offer an integrated mobility solution that integrates multiple service models into one single unified platform to utilize resources more efficiently, thereby reducing costs, but also creating a better experience for all users, the operators, the riders, as well as the drivers. Because why have a separate fleet and separate software systems for fixed line transportation, on-demand mobility, and paratransit mobility, when they can also be combined in one single platform that coordinates and optimizes all network services? So let's actually look into a case study, and I've picked here Get, a partnership of Via together with Get in Bakersfield, California. Get used to run two different software systems for paratransit and microtransit or on-demand ride-pooling services that led to operational inefficiency and also unnecessary complexity. In addition, because also different operators were used for each of the different systems, this setup also led to high operational costs for maintenance, for maintaining two separate fleet types at the same time. When Get also wanted to add non-emergency medical transport to its portfolio, the PTA looked for a software combining all three types of mobility into one single platform and harmonizing the operations. This led to a partnership between Get and Via set up a platform to manage all three mobility types, yet tailored to meet the operational and customer experience objectives unique to each service type. For example, offering non-emergency medical transport for free and as a corner-to-corner service, whereas microtransit or on-demand ride-pooling is going to be paid by cash, credit card, or with a public transit ticket, and is offered as a door-to-door solution. While Get benefits overall from a one single platform for all agents and all drivers. So in the end, the benefits of having an integrated mobility solution compared to different software setups and different systems for different types of mobility are for sure, first of all, the increased efficiency, because you can leverage your resources, meaning your fleet, your drivers, software maintenance a lot better. There's a the unified operator tools allow you to cut on time and cost. Time not only for managing the tools, but also for your employees to be trained on those tools. But you don't have to sacrifice on a tailored rider experience, because passengers still benefit from a customization for each transit type they're using, may it be paratransit or may it be fixed line transportation, may it be microtransit or on-demand ride pooling. And finally, there's a unified driver application, which again also reduces training time because there's only one system those drivers have to follow, and improves also the on-the-road experience. So this is the future, the vision of public transit, of the future that Via has for partners around the world. And I'm very much looking forward to the panel discussion, digging deeper in some of these topics with the fellow panelists. Thank you very much.